Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is my design that I did for the week. I did a set of sculpted nails. They are super long and they are in like a tapered square design or shape. So I started out with my Nude 03, which is a cover powder from Miss You Beauty. So on some of the nails I decided to do a French manicure style, hence why I started out with the nude on my forefinger. So I just apply this in like a little bit of a almond stiletto shape, and then I go in with my colours. So I've created my smile line, and here now I go in with a new powder that I received from Miss You Beauty. It's been designed by Glam Susie and it is called Lavender Daydream. So I apply this colour first to my nail. Absolutely love it. It is such a gorgeous little colour. It's not normally a colour I'd go for, but one of my lovely friends suggested it would be a really gorgeous colour for a French manicure design. So I totally agree with her. So I went in with it. And then at the tip of the nail I went in with another new powder which is called Aquarius. It's like a blue with glitter with a bit of sparkle. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I just extended the nail out further. I did them really long this time because I just fancied some really long ones again, a little bit longer than last week's, just by a couple of millimeters. So yeah, and then I went in and I encapsulated it with clear acrylic liquid and powder. So on the middle nail I did the similar kind of design. I went in with the Nude 03 cover powder, and then I went in with the Aquarius, and then at the tip of the nail I went in with Lavender Daydream. So similar design but in a different order. So please excuse the green staining on the tip of my ring finger. That was from the powder that I used last week. I didn't put a base layer of clear acrylic liquid and powder because sometimes I'm just that little bit lazy, so I don't really mind the staining. Anyways, as I was saying, I go in here at the cuticle area with Lavender Daydream, and then I fade that down, and then I use Aquarius at the tip of the nail and fade that up. So the only two fingers that I didn't record was my little finger, and I just covered that nail in Aquarius, and my thumbnail as well. I just used Lavender Daydream for the entire nail. So I just filmed these ones because I was doing them a little bit different, and I just wanted to show you some fabulous things that can be done with the powders. So then I went in and filed my nails and then buffed them, and went in with a little bit of nail art. So with a fine detail brush and my Miss You Beauty's Extreme White 06 sculpting gel, or builder gel, sorry, I went in and did a little bit of nail art. I didn't really know where I was going with this design. I was just sort of creating swirls as I went. Yeah. Before I cured them, I then applied some white iridescent glitter to those swirls, and then I cured them in my LED lamp for 30 seconds and got a really beautiful design, which kind of reminded me of either Frozen or, for some reason, Cinderella. I do apologise for my thumbnail getting in the way. Really sorry about that, guys. So, and just sprinkle on the iridescent glitter, like I said, just before I cure it in my LED lamp, so that the glitter sticks perfectly to that gel. And then I cure it, and then I brush away the excess glitter. So I did a little bit of artwork on the forefinger, the middle finger, and my ring finger. So after curing those in my LED and removing the excess glitter, I then went in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat from Miss You Beauty and applied it to all of my nails, and then I cured it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So as always, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video today, guys. If you did, please give me a huge thumbs up as per usual, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And thank you so much for watching and all of your lovely comments. I always appreciate them. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in my next video. So don't forget as well, guys, I do have a discount code as per usual for Miss You Beauty, so don't forget to check that out. I also will link all the items that I used in this video in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.